Yeah, I would maybe make it a little bit slower. So have it stay a little bit in place, a bit longer. Because I want the timing of this to look like the ball is jumping according to the timing of the nut falling. And right now it looked like the nut was falling faster than the ball anticipated. So I just want to match that timing to make it click. Yeah, I might even go a little bit longer. Yeah, something like that. Blip. Blip. Yeah. It's a dance. So animation in terms of timing, if you remember, I say a lot of times that animation timing is a lot like rhythm. You need to find your own rhythm. You need to find an appealing rhythm for the audience. And you can think of it as a dance, like a dance between characters, props, everything that's moving on screen. And I'm just trying to find the right timing to click to make it seem appealing. And I know that's a very abstract term and it's hard to get a grasp of what that means. But believe me, by the time you're done with all these courses in AniTribe, you will know what that means. You will have a feel of what that is because we give a lot of feedback based on that. And the classes, as you go into the more advanced classes, you're going to learn about those assignments in terms of giving rhythm and keys and trying it out for yourself. So the more you try and the more feedback you get, the more better you're going to have a feel for appealing timing.